Morning. All right, another episode of Wild Grove Garage. I know I'm kind of bouncing around a little bit on what I'm working on and whatnot right now, but old reliable right here. The old 02 SS is in need of a little bit of work. I have got some window gap going on right here, and that is all part of the bracket that holds the window motor has wallered out the holes just a pinch. So gonna get in there. I've got a plate that I've purchased to fix that, and then we'll be back. So I know that we've kind of left off on the trailer in kind of a weird spot. We had a trip, an inaugural trip planned for that, and unfortunately kids got a little sick and had to ixnay that. But we've got another one coming up in a couple weeks, and that'll kind of be a final rundown, shakedown video showing all of that and the progress that was made. Everything is set up, it's all fully wired. All my components are fully set up, and it is fully ready to rip. So stay tuned for that. If you follow along on my Instagram page, I've kind of kept everything up to date there with some shorter form videos, but figured why not, need to do a little bit of work, see what we can do on the old F body. So tag along. All right, I'll kind of try to show you what's going on here. So if you can see, this isn't lined up. The window isn't going all the way up. This will all make more sense once I get the door panel off and you kind of see, but if you watch as I roll this down, it's kind of bouncing around, and then it doesn't want to seat all the way back up. There's a pretty good gap right here. So let's get the door panel off, and it'll all start to make a little bit more sense. And let me tell you something, I've only taken this door panel off once, maybe, in the past. So this might be a little bit of a learning experience for both of us, but that's what we're here for. I think I need to get this switch plate up and off. My next move. That's good. My little retainer clip fell off. Good start, good start. And you know, this car has less than 60,000 miles on it. And it really has been super reliable, even with some of the performance stuff that it's got in it. You know, it's got heads and a cam. But for it to, you know, have an issue like this at only 60,000 miles is kind of crazy, in my opinion. You know? Got that bad boy off. There we go. Now she's coming. What is this even for? Interesting little switch. Oh, that's the light. Interesting. Okay. Okay. We're in. Okay. Well, get this donkey gooey thing out of the way. Alright, try to get this out of the way just enough so that we can see where we're working with over here. Yeah, so as you can see right here, this is where the problem is. So you see how this has wallered out big time. These doors aren't metal, which is the problem. They're some sort of like fiberglass composite material. So as you can see, GM, what are we doing here? Okay, so here's the bracket that's gonna go on here. I picked these up off eBay. Wish I could remember the guy's name that's selling these, but there's several dealers on eBay that are selling these. And the idea is that this is just gonna add a ton of extra support for this. So even this piece right here, this little clip hanging out of here is the actual window motor, and even that portion is tearing into the door. So I need to drill all these rivets out so that this can even line up, and then we'll kind of get everything lined up from there and pop some new rivets in and move on our merry way, hopefully, fingers crossed. All right, so to say this makes me nervous would be the understatement of the year, but fire away. Try and catch all these on the backside so that they're not rattling around in the door. I gotta go fishing for them, which is exciting. Whoo, hot, whoo, stupid, hot. Yeah. That wasn't good. That could have been really bad. The whole bracket slipped out of there. I was expecting that catch to stay on there, but it sure did not. Oh boy. Boy, why is there no... There's nothing keeping that up whatsoever. And they give you the smallest window to work with here. Yeah. How are we gonna do this? All right, been doing a ton of kind of back and forth on this and figuring out. There's an extra bolt with some nuts that came with this little pack. You cannot get anything in here or back through here to get on the back side of that. So it's quite the conundrum. I've tried so many different little things to get it. But I think just setting it in there might give me enough wiggle room, and then if I can clip that up on there, I think I can start getting things lined up. So I think the key is just going to be keeping this plate in place while all that happens, which very well could be easier said than done. It's just crazy how all of this kind of is moving together. Like that. Okay. But then it's kind of nuts because nothing is even remotely lined up with that being right there. That's where I think things are going to get really tricky. Really could probably use an extra set of hands here. I don't even see where the holes are to line them up. I think I just need you to lift the glass and then I can line stuff up. All right, right there for a second. Okay.
Behind you.
I'm already 12 steps further than I was without you here.
I hate it when them rivets do that.
That's fun. Well, I called in my neighbor. He's a stud. He's a retired body man. This thing was giving me the fits. We got one rivet in there, but then everything else was still kind of cockeyed. So he's saving the day. I like that.
One, two, three.
Other one.
Four. Oh, other one. Yeah. Four. That's what you want, right?
Yep.
Okay, you can't be moving this thing around. Now you know where this thing is supposed to be. This hole was not hurt. This hole was good.
Okay.
All right? So it wasn't
Shoot that one in there.
Some rivets. Now, according to Hoyle, still got power.
You're the man, Scott.
Yeah.
I'm glad I don't have to do the other side.
Well, the other side be easy now that you know what you got to do.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
But like I said,
Golly.
anytime you're doing something like that where you've got multiple,
Line them all up.
I've
Yeah.
always, or at least get two of them, because if you get two of them lined up, the other two are going to line up.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yep.
Good.
Good. Hey, look, that's one thing that I am not afraid to do. I am not afraid to ask for help when help is needed. I needed a hand, just basically holding up the glass, trying to get things aligned, and called my neighbor Scott up, who is the absolute man, and he came right over and started helping. And then, before I know it, he's taking the reins, and I'm not gonna, he knows what he's doing. He used to do this. This was his job, like I said, he was a body man, so he knows the ins and outs, and we got it taken care of. So it's all bolted in. The gap here is, as you can see, if I can, is fully gone. It seats up very nicely. Window goes up and down. So I gotta cut these rivet tabs off, and then we'll be on our way. let's see if we can throw all this back together. Get this bad boy back up on here. Yeah, if you follow along on my Instagram page, you have seen appearances from Scott in the past. He is probably the best neighbor that you could have. Not only is he also an automotive dude, but super nice and always willing to lend a hand with stuff. So he's helped me out with a handful of things on the Suburban. And I'm gonna help him out with something a little bit later today. So what are neighbors for, right? Get this door panel back up on here. Locked in. All right, get all these little itty bitty connectors all back and happy. Feed the wires, feed the wires. Jeez. Tell you what, doors and windows, the enemy, absolute enemy. Okay. Boom. Boom. Just like new. Big boys back down in here. Goes there. Goes there. All right, sweet. I think we did it. Let's clean this mess up, give everything a final big test, back this thing out, give it a rip. Give the old glass, the old wipe me down. Get my greasy paw prints off this stuff. Inside two. Sticky ickies. Yeah, I could probably use a little new tint down here. That's okay. Scrub a dub. All right, looking pretty good. All right, let's crank her up and give her a test. Oh yeah, we are back. Windows are crazy. All right, hey, appreciate y'all sticking around and watching that one. Little oddball episode. Not gonna see a whole lot of the Camaro on here. We've been working on the trailer, but what is next is we are gonna start tackling the 65 Bel Air. This is gonna start to consume me, so stick around and watch how this thing will start to take shape. So appreciate y'all. See y'all in the next one.